Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the foremost for web browsers on your Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. So I'm gonna start from the Opera, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and tap on the plus. That's it. The next one is Firefox. In this welcoming screen just click here. If you have any tab opened before, just click on the taskbar icon, switch to the Zoro mask and add a tab. The next one is Microsoft Edge. Click on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab exactly same. And the last one, Google Chrome. Here you can go on the arrow icon or three-dot icon, switch to the new Incognito tab. And now your history, the cookies, the completed forms or even the words on the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment and goodbye.